Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and grow group chats on X Mobile. This is really useful feature if you want one private place where multiple people can talk together without having to send the same message individually over and over again. Maybe you want to build a followers community, maybe you want a team discussion room, maybe you want a private chat for customers, subscribers, or friends. Whatever the case is, X makes it possible to have everyone inside one organized conversation. And the best part is, once the group is created, you can continue adding more members and slowly grow it into a much more active private community directly from your phone. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. So, the first thing you want to do is simply open the X app on your mobile device. Wait for the homepage to load, and once you're inside your account, look down at the bottom right side of the screen. So you should see the chat or the message icon there. So go ahead and tap on that. This is going to open the private messaging area where all your one on one chats and group conversations are stored. Now, depending on whether this is your first time opening this section, X may ask you to secure your messages before continuing, and that brings us to the next step. Now, if the passcode screen appears, tap on Create Passcode. So, X does this as an added layer of privacy so your conversations stay protected. You'll be now asked to enter a 4-digit code, so choose any four numbers that are easy for you to remember but not too obvious, because this passcode is what will be used to unlock your chat inbox whenever needed. So type in the code once, confirm the same code again, and after that, X will finish setting up your secure messaging area. Once that's complete, you'll officially have access to your full inbox. Now we can start creating the actual group. So inside your inbox, look around for the new message icon. This is usually placed somewhere easy to spot within the messaging page. Tap on that icon. When you do this, X gives you the option to start a fresh conversation. Now, normally if you select one person, it becomes a private direct message, but because we want a group chat, we need to choose several people at the same time. So this is where the group creation really begins. So you should now see a list of accounts that you can message. This could be your followers, meet walls, friends, business contacts, customers, moderators, or anybody you want to communicate with inside one room. So go ahead and start selecting multiple users. Take your time here and choose the people who actually make sense for the purpose of the group. For example, if this is a customer support group, add customers. If this is a fan community, you can add followers. If this is for work, you can add teammates. So the people you choose first usually shape how active the group will feel. Once you have selected more than one person, X automatically understands that this is going to be a group conversation. Tap Next or Done. Now, as soon as you tap Next, X creates the group and opens the conversation. Now, technically, the group is already active and you can send messages immediately. But before you do that, I highly recommend setting it up properly. So, at the top of the chat, tap on the group information or header area. This opens the settings page for that conversation. From here, you can make the group look more official by editing a few things. So, first, you can change the group name. So, do not leave it as a random list of usernames. Give it a clean, recognizable title depending on what the group is for. It could be VIP Members Lounge, Creator Community, Support Team, Study Group, or Private Discussion Room, something like that. You can also upload a group image if you want it to look more organized. So that small customization makes the group feel intentional rather than temporary. Now, this next part is very important if you actually want the group to grow and stay active. So, a lot of people create the group and then just leave it silent. That usually kills engagement. So, as soon as the chat is ready, send a welcome message. So, introduce the purpose of the group. You can tell the members why they are there, invite them to respond. So, something simple works perfectly fine, like, hey everyone, welcome to the group. This is where we'll be sharing updates and chatting together, something like that. So that one message instantly makes the room feel alive. People are far more likely to stay in a group when they see activity right away. So do not skip this step. Now, once your first few members are inside, your next goal is growth. So to do that, go back into the group settings and look for the add members option. Tap on it. Now, X will allow you to continue selecting more users to bring into the conversation. Now, here's the smart way to do this. Don't just dump 100 random people into the group at once. Instead, slowly add targeted people over time. So, bring in users who actually relate to the topic of the group. For example, if it's business related, you can add customers or clients. If it's creator based, add followers who engage with your content. If it's study related, you can add classmates or learners. Now, creating a group is one thing, growing it is another thing, but keeping it active is what really matters. If new people join and see zero conversation, they usually mute the chat or ignore it. So make sure you continue posting things inside. So you can share questions, updates, quick announcements, useful links, opinions, or anything that gets members talking. So even small interactions help. You can ask people simple things, get them to reply, and react to the responses. Now, here comes the important part. So, inside the group info page, look for group invite link, enable it, and tap on copy link at the bottom. Then save that invite link because we will use it for promotion. Now go back to the home feed, tap the post button to create a new tweet. Then in here, you need to make the post sound exciting. For example, starting a free X growth networking group for creators who want more reach and followers. Join us here, then paste your group invite link. So you want people to feel like they're entering something valuable. So post this publicly, then pin it to your profile if possible. That way, anyone visiting your account sees your community first. So, do not only share your invite link once, you can share it on Facebook groups, WhatsApp status, on Telegram channels, on Instagram story, inside other social media pages, in comments, under your tweets, etc. So, you can literally manage all of this from your phone anytime. And that is exactly how to create and grow group chats on X Mobile. As you can see, it's not just about opening a chat and adding random people. The real value comes from setting the group up properly, welcoming members, continuing to add the right people, and keeping the conversation active so the room keeps growing over time. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Introducing Cohorsha, new AI powered community builder. Build your communities with Cohorsha and take advantage of AI automation to grow your community and engage your members without working manually all day. Setting up and running your community is very easy with Cohorsha. Works for any niche. It's fully featured, SEO and traffic friendly, virtual AI members, fully monetizable, and hands-free growth. Corsha creates virtually real AI members that auto-create new posts, AI members that engage and support real members, AI members that comment on posts. Your community is also a progressive app. Member chat makes your tribe closer. Online and offline events, polls and surveys, SEO friendly, team access and management features, highlighted posts, reach analytics, moderate with AI or human beings. You can customize messages, no hosting required, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cohorsha now. Just go to getcohorsha.in.